Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss values of trigonometric ratios. So here in this video we are going to discuss this topic under three different sections. So in the first section we are going to give introduction for trigonometric ratios, and in the second section we are going to find the values of theta for sine. So, coming to the first section where we are going to define about trigonometric ratios. So, the relations existing between the sides and the angles of right angle triangle are expressed in the form of ratios, which are called as trigonometric ratios. So here there is a right angle triangle PNO and right angle at the vertex N, which is nothing but 90 degrees at the vertex N. And here there is angle theta at the vertex O. So now let us name the sides of the triangle. So let us name ON as X and PN as Y and OP as R. So let us consider an angle theta and the side opposite to the angle theta, that is NP, is called as opposite side of the triangle. And now let us consider OP, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle, and then the side adjacent to the angle theta, which is ON. So ON will be equal to the adjacent side of the triangle. So the relation existing between these sides and the angle are expressed in the form of ratios. Those ratios are named as sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And now let us move to the next section, that is values of theta for the ratio sine. So in our previous videos we have already proved the different values of theta for the ratio sine. So here these are the values. And now by using these values we are going to find theta values for all the ratios. So first let us consider angles. So here there is a table where we are going to discuss the behavior of 6 trigonometrical ratios as theta varies from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So here we get the angles, that is theta is equal to 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And here in this part we are going to write the trigonometrical ratios, which are sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So thus we already found the values for sine theta and cos theta. So let us write the values for sine theta first. Sine 0 degrees is equal to 0, and then sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, whereas sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2, and then sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. We also found the values for cos theta, that is cos 0 degrees is equal to 1, or else we can write sine 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees. So here we can write cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, and similarly cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. Then the value of sine 30 can be written here. We get 1 by 2 as the result for cos 60 degrees to 1 by 2, and cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. And here tan theta, which is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So here by dividing the values of sine theta and cos theta we get the values of tan theta. So here 0 by 1 is 0, and 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will be 1 by root 3, which is the value for tan 30 degrees. And here by dividing we get 1, which is the value for tan 45 degrees. And here by dividing root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 we get here root 3 as a result. And here by dividing 1 by 0, which is infinity, which is not defined. And now coming to the cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So the reciprocal of sine theta will be the values for cosecant theta. So 1 by 0 is nothing but not defined, and then the reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is 2 here, which is the value for cosecant 30 degrees. And then the reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be root 2, which is the value for cosecant 45 degrees. And then reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by root 3, and reciprocal, that is 1 by 1, will be 1 here, which is the value for cosecant 90 degrees. And now coming to the value of secant theta, which will be the reciprocal of cos theta. Or else we can write from the values of cosecant theta from right to left. So here we get 1, and then we get 2 by root 3, and then we get root 2, and then the next value will be 2, or else the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 by 2, will become 2 here, and at the last we get secant 90 degrees as infinity. And then coming to the cot theta. So cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta, or you can also say cos theta by sin theta. So let us write the values of cot theta from the values of tan theta from right to left. So here we get infinity, and then we get root 3, and then we get 1, and then we get 1 by root 3, and then at last 0. So this was a basic introduction on different theta values for different ratios. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.